As lash artists, we use glue to attach extensions to the client's natural lash. How we dispose of our glue is also important. If you're using plastic disposable glue rings, you might be throwing your rings into the rubbish. However, it's important to neutralize the glue before disposal so that it does not come into contact with any cotton. Cotton and the cyanoacrylate in glue has an exothermic reaction, producing heat and toxic fumes, as shown in this example here. In an attempt to clean out the glue from a plastic glue ring, when the cotton comes in contact with the cyanoacrylate, there's that exothermic reaction. It looks like a type of smoke coming off the cotton bud. This reactionary smoke is a fume and it's toxic. That's why it's also important not to dab off any excess glue on the client's iPads, especially if you're using tape on top of the iPads to tuck away the client's bottom lashes. This tape could have cotton in it. Here you can see the water shock polymerizing the blob of glue. One thing to note is that shock polymerization of a large blob of glue compared to tiny amounts of glue on lashes is very different. Water doesn't shock polymerize glue on lashes after 5 minutes. I have another video where I test that theory and you can watch the results.